I am Sharia, and we are talking today. The armor you wear once kept you safe. Ownership of your identity and power. The armor you wear once kept you safe. What does that even mean? We may not even recognize that we're wearing all the time the emotional armor, the strength, the self resilience, all those terms that sometimes can be connected as positives, and sometimes, if we think about it, can become the things that we carry as women of color and Black women, and that becomes the energy that many people see us as in terms of carrying enough for our families, our friends, our world, right? And so I've got it is something that we probably say a lot. It's not that your armor is the problem. It's that your armor once kept you safe. And sometimes that safety was about survival and a strategy, which is not a personal thing or a personal trait that makes you bad or good. It just means that we need other armors. We need other ways to be able to exist in the world that still makes us strong and makes us enduring and also makes us begin to acknowledge that our healing requires us to do something different.